Shrink your shirt safely, a comprehensive guide.
Hello, and welcome to a practical DIY guide that will save your oversized shirts from being banished to the back of your wardrobe. Today, we're going to show you how to shrink a shirt without damaging the fabric or causing it to lose its shape. Let's dive in.
Understand your shirt's fabric.
Before we begin, it's crucial to identify the fabric your shirt is made of. Synthetic fibers like polyester or nylon are much harder to shrink compared to natural fibers like cotton or wool. The tips we're sharing today will primarily be effective for natural fiber shirts.
Wash your shirt on a high heat setting.
Your first step will be to wash your shirt in warm to hot water. Heat is the key element here, as it can break down the tension in the fibers of the fabric and cause them to contract. Remember to turn your shirt inside out before washing to protect the exterior from any potential damage.
Dry your shirt on high heat.
After washing, transfer your shirt to the dryer and select a high heat setting. The combined heat from washing and drying will facilitate the shrinking process. Make sure to remove the shirt promptly after the cycle to avoid any unnecessary wrinkling.
Try steam ironing.
If your shirt hasn't shrunk to the desired size after washing and drying, you can try steam ironing. Fill your iron with water, set it to the steam setting, and iron your shirt. The steam's heat can contribute to further shrinking.
Repeat the process if necessary.
Remember, it's better to shrink your shirt gradually to ensure you don't overdo it. If after the first attempt your shirt still isn't the size you want, simply repeat the process. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can bring life back to those oversized shirts hanging in your closet. Remember, always check the care label and consider the fabric type before starting the shrinking process. We hope this guide has been helpful, and you're now well equipped to shrink your shirts without damaging the fabric or losing their shape. Happy shrinking!